Hi, Beth. I'm back na. Paano ito mag-fit, B? B, paano ito mag-fit? Wait lang. I have idea. Wait lang. I have idea. Itong mga ice cream cones. Ice cream tuloy. Ice cream cone. Ice cream cone na raw. Ice cream cone na raw, ate ko. Basura pa ako dito. Ito? Sure. Kahit sino maglilitas. Basta wag lang lola ko maglinis. Wag lang lola ko maglilinis. Hindi. Nakasakta. Kita. Oh my god, I got some bad news. I got the bad news. Your mama died. The war died. Bring her back to life. That's impossible. As a doctor, I know I'll prove you wrong. Let me have a go. First of all, I got a news. My teacher gave me an F. What? That didn't work. Dead. I punched Karen in her gut. What? From the start. That will never work. I am not done having one work. I got nothing to say. Dad just up to me. Shoot the pig. Calm down, Mom. It was just a trick. Bakang ewan. Ice cream ko. Dito, pot hard dito. Ay, dito. Dito. Ito kailangan. Paano ito mag-fit? First of all, I got on me. My teacher gave me F. That didn't work. Pakilagay mo na dito. That is easy. So, ayusin ko lang yung desk ko. I don't need this. Stupid head. So, Kwambi, huwag niyo pagalitan.